So now we're going to go into actually how do you meditate? Yes, this is the foundation, the good part. So how you meditate is first by making sure that we are creating a peaceful atmosphere. We want our atmosphere to be decluttered and clean, have a clean environment, because that's also going to influence our mind, our environment. So the less decluttered we are in our room, if that's the choice of you're going to make that as your sacred area, we also have to make it holy and also cleanliness. So that's important. But I mean, start where that shouldn't discourage you. I mean, if you have a messy room right now and you can't clean it up, start with what you have right now, and that's totally fine. It's all about self-acceptance. So all that's the goal of yours, then hopefully you can get that cluttered out. But also, along with decluttering your area to make it more, your atmosphere more peaceful, you want to also maybe light some sage and also set a essential oil diffuser on. That is also helpful to have like some beautiful aroma in the air. You can also use bring out some crystals that have been around for centuries, that have different energy that it can bring to your environment. You can also light a candle as well. So any of these are you can use to help increase the peacefulness in your atmosphere. So I'm going to show you how I do a mindful meditation, where this is where we're going to do a count of 4, 7, 8. Anytime, and this is a suggestion for those who have a hard time maybe focusing during meditation or are overthinker. You can even say 4, 7, 8 throughout your meditation at the times you need to. But 4, 7, 8 is breathing in slowly for 4 seconds. You hold for 7 seconds and you breathe out for 8 seconds. So you can do this counting sequence the first 3 times that you start meditating, and then you want to get into just a regular flow of breath. And also you want to relax your forehead, relax your jaw, relax your lips. So then you just scan your body, relax every area in your body that just feels tense. You just want to let it go. And remember, we're not judging our thoughts. We're letting our thoughts drift by just like they're clouds, and we're just making a mental note of any pattern of thoughts, but we're not engaging with any of those thoughts that we're having. We're just simply being the observer of our thoughts. So let's try this out now. And get in a comfortable position, and then we're just going to breathe in for 4 counts. Hold. And out. Okay, so we're gonna do it together. And remember, let's let go of any tension in our body. So let's breathe in for 4, hold for 7, out for 8. And you want to release everything out. And also when you're breathing in, just visualize you're breathing in good energy. When you breathe out, you are releasing all of the negative energy from your body, removing any energy that does not belong, any stagnant energy. We are removing all energy blockages because we want to purify our energy with this meditation to bring us mental clarity and positivity. So we're doing 4, 7, 8. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're doing 4, 7, 8. And let's start. Oh my God, it feels so refreshing, like just taking those breaths with you all. It's so relaxing. I know you guys are going to want to do this after this video, and yeah, it's just so relaxing to reap these benefits. So I love that 478 sequence. When you're starting your meditation practice, concentrate on our energy chakras being in alignment, which is our energy centers in our body, which I mentioned earlier. And there's some specific mantras you can do for your root chakra. So when you want to align your chakras, your energy centers in your body, which we have 7 from the bottom up, you can say affirmations that will get the root chakra, which is the first most bottom chakra. It's at the bottom of your spine, and that's where we want to concentrate on first. That's the main base foundation. It's like a tree, so you want the foundation of the tree to be strong, so then the energy can be routed all around your body. So there's some affirmations we can say for our root chakra. And just to let you know, there's other chakras. So the base one is root chakra. We have our sacral chakra. We have our solar plexus chakra. We have our heart chakra. We have our throat chakra, our third eye chakra, and our crown chakra. So back to the root chakra, that's the chakra that's associated with us feeling grounded and connected with the universe and connected with the earth and connected with ourselves. So I want you to write down these affirmations that you can say as mantras throughout your meditation practice, so you can really set your foundation with your root chakra. Some of those are: I am enough as I am. I love myself. I am rooted and grounded. I am home wherever I am. I am love. So say those affirmations while you're meditating, and then that's going to help amplify building up your root chakra. The root chakra is red, so you can also visualize the color red. That will help amplify your root chakra and ground your energy so it can be in total harmony with your other chakras. And then you can research the other chakras, continue to build that energy up so that you have total body alignment. So when all of your energy centers are open, you'll be in harmony with your mind, body, and soul. Also, while you're meditating, you can also utilize hand yoga, which is very powerful way of our hands actually have the ability to influencing our emotions and our mood, and it actually has the ability to connect our brain with our mind, body, and soul. So, and mudras, which is called the hand yoga, is able to stimulate the endorphins in our body, also increasing us to have a more positive mood, clearing out negativity. So each hand yoga has a specific influence it does on the physical body and also the mind and the soul. So this hand yoga, if you just put your your right hand on top of your left hand, and you put the centered hands on top of each other, and you touch your thumbs together, you put it down in your lap, and when you relax, you can hold this hand yoga position for about 5 minutes, and then you can really reap the benefits of the hand yoga. You can also research different hand yogas which have different objectives that you can use if you want a specific goal during your meditation practice. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch the entire episode, How to Meditate for Positivity and Clarity, which will play next. Peace and divine blessings.